Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper on your Ford Edge. Now I link to this exact rear wiper replacement in the video description below, so be sure to check that out. But here you can see it's the exact same size as the one that's going in, and we're going to want to separate it from this bar right here, right down that center. It's relatively easy to replace the rear wiper. You're going to want to push this side toward the glass. And so you want to give yourself a little bit of leverage, and you could do that by holding on to the current wiper arm and then just literally push with your thumbs toward the glass. I've got my fingers behind the wiper blade here to give myself a little leverage for when I'm pushing against the glass here, and that's it. It's kind of violent when it comes off, but that is how you have to do it. And don't snap this back onto the glass. You can see the whole glass is kind of dirty right now. Just take a minute to grab some glass cleaner or whatever you like to use, Rain-X, and just clean this down, because you're going to be putting a brand new wiper on and you don't want that rubber to get disgusting right away. So just clean where that lays. Right, here's our new wiper, and you want to orient it so that this side right here that drops down is toward the inside of the wiper arm. If you get this exact Bosch wiper blade that I linked to below in the video description, you want to be able to read Bosch. Let me bring you in a little closer here so you can see what it looks like on the wiper arm. It's just a little notch right there that you want to go into. This little notch right there. It's kind of on a slight angle, right? But that's what you want to grab. Has a little springiness to the plastic there. And that's it. You just want to snap this new one right in there. So here we go. Again, drop down toward the inside of it, of the arm. And then literally just snap that into place. So holding behind here, got your fingers going through, not on the rubber blade part, but in between the rubber blade and the back of the wiper here, and just take your thumbs and push down, and it snaps right into place. Like literally that easy. You heard it. It's not a big forceful thing. That's it. It's in there.